Will now be recorded.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to cover one small challenging task that we encounter in day to day life, especially in production or even in the lower lanes. Okay, so the issue is, let's say, for example, you're not able to log in into your environment. Maybe production, maybe dev, maybe QA, maybe UAT. You're not able to log in. Generally, in real time, we use single sign ons, right? So maybe I'm using my single sign on, but I'm still not able to log in into the application. We are not sure what is the issue. Now, at least if I log in, I'll be able to look at the tracer or any other thing, and I'll be able to debug the issue, like what is happening. If it is login itself is the issue, how can you debug it? You don't have a tracer, right? So how are you going to debug the issue? What is going wrong? Why, what error is coming? Why am I not able to log in? Is a big challenging question most of the times. So sometimes the issue could be like, maybe an issue with the access group. Maybe you mapped a wrong portal. Maybe you mapped a wrong privilege, maybe a wrong role or a role to object, or maybe sometimes authentication issues. Maybe the authentication service which you're configuring, the upstream system might be down. Sometimes maybe you're using some key stores or some things, which generate tokens and all. Maybe that has expired. Maybe the certificate's expired. So various reasons could be there why you are not able to log in. Now, how do I debug it? So there's an easy way to do that. So first of all, let me log in into one session. Now the question is, we are not able to log in. Then how can I debug by logging in? So the answer to this is you need to have a non-SSO URL. So everybody should make sure that we have a non-SSO URL for our application, whether it is dev, QA, UAT or production. We need a non-SSO URL. So that is mandatory. So if you have a non-SSO URL, please try to log in with that non-SSO credentials, not your SSO. Please use a non-SSO URL and non-SSO credentials. You also need to have non-SSO credentials. Otherwise, you can't achieve this. So we need to log in like this. Now assume that in the other window of the browser, I have my SSO login. So Control Shift N, I'm just taking another window in the browser, where I'm just trying to log in through SSO. See, this is my personal edition, so I don't have SSOs and non-SSOs, but just assume that this is my SSO, login window, and this is my non-SSO login window. Now, how do I trace from my non-SSO session to the SSO session? Can we use remote tracer and do? No, that is not going to help. Okay, then what should I do? Go to Admin Studio. Okay. Now you know about requesters, right? Requester means, it's like a session. It's a session running. Now a requester can be anything. It can be a user, it can be a background scheduled job, it can be anything, right? So just go to resources and pick requesters. Now once you go to requesters, how do I know what is this requester? There are a lot of requesters here and there is no name displaying, right? So how do we identify? And I didn't even log in. So it's very difficult for me to identify who is this requester. Now what you should do is, first of all, filter your requesters based on the type. Okay. As we log in from the browser, the requester type will be of type browser. So take browser requester. Okay. Now here, let me remove these disconnected ones to avoid confusion. Just a second. I'm just removing the disconnected ones to avoid confusion. Let me refresh. Take only browser requester type because we log in from browser. So there are two requesters here, okay? One is Nikhila City, which I logged in. This is my current session. There's another one, okay? So I assume that maybe the other one is this one, okay? Now assuming that this could be the one, I just go here and I try to turn on the tracer. trace. One second, maybe I have some old tracer. One second. Maybe my old tracer was not closed properly, so that could be the reason. Just a second. Let's try again. So this is my non-SSO login which I'm attempting, and I'm trying to debug why my SSO login is not working as expected. So I go to SS Admin Studio. We need to go to requesters. Look for browser. So this is the other requester of browser I have. So most probably my other session, this could be the one. So I just click on trace. Okay. And in case if you want to put only your application URLs, you can put it. Because if you think no, the issue could be only with my, authentication service or my, LDAP service, whatever it is. If you think the issue is only with your code, you can put only your rule sets. If you want to see all the Pega rule sets as well, then you can just put everything and click OK. Whatever you want, you select. Now, generally in real time, when I debug this issue, I generally put only my rule sets because I know I have a SSO service and the relevant activities in which rule set they are there. I have an idea. So generally I put only my application rule sets. I don't enable all the Pega stuff. Okay, now you just go and try to log in into that SSO one. This is the SSO screen. Assume that this is the SSO URL of your application. Now you try to log in. Of course, when it is SSO, you don't have credentials to enter. You just reload the browser. Just a refresh is enough. Okay, in real time, when this is an SSO screen, you are not going to enter the credentials, right? It's a single sign on. You just refresh the browser. That's it. But here, I'm going to click on login. Now, if you go back to the tracer, it's not coming. Maybe this is not the right session then. This is not the right session then. It is coming. One second. No, this is not the right session. Let me do one thing. Just log off, refresh it. Even in real time, if you are not able to get the session in the first attempt, first we click on refresh. I mean, like we try to log in by just clicking on refresh. Okay, then the browser, the requested details of browser type will populate here, and then we try to trace it. So let me try the same way. So browser I'm picking. I have only one, and let me give a try to trace. Okay, now let's see what is coming in the tracer. Yeah, you can see it is showing in the tracer what all rules are getting triggered when you're trying to log in. Okay, so you can debug from here, where exactly your authentication service failed, where exactly, that access group or new operator creation is not happening, because in SSO, every time you log in, they try to delete your existing instance of the operator and they try to create a fresh copy, right? So you can check all the code here and you can see where exactly the code is failing and why you're not able to log in. You can debug from here. So this is the way you can debug. So just a summary. So basically, you take one non-SSO URL session and you try to log in with the non-SSO credentials. Go to Admin Studio. Try to pick the browser requester type. Okay, and turn on the tracer. Maybe in the first attempt you will not get it. Then what you have to do is just refresh your session again. The other SSO session which you're trying to log in, just refresh it and try to pick the session again from the Admin Studio. And then turn on the tracer and see When you log in, you'll be able to identify the code in the tracer and you'll be able to debug it. It really helps a lot, because this is one common issue we encounter in real time because of certificate expiry, or any new code deployment issues, any SSO issues, upstream system issues. These things happen. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.